Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text alignment and CSS text direction. Right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS text direction from the left to the right. So, I don't want us to take too long here because I've discussed about this in our previous tutorial. So, you're going to see how this works again. As you can see right here, we are having our document start reading from the right to the left. If you notice very well, that's why you are seeing the alignment from the right to the left, from the right to the left. So definitely we are specifying the alignment from the right to the left. So when we say text direction, now if we change this our text direction property, if we change it to the left to the right, which is LTR, left to the right. So when I save my document and reload the document, when I reload, can you see now it's coming from the what? From the left, which is this at the top. This is the one at the top. Because the reason why this works in this manner is because all these elements, they came from one. All these text we are seeing right here, they are all in one element, which is making them one word. So let me explain again. As you can see, this h1 element right here, I want you guys to look at it very well. This h1 element right here is having closing tag right here. So definitely all these words inside this our h1 element, they are all what? They are all our text and they are all one word. So if we say we specify right to left, definitely we are saying it should write, it should read or write, it should read or write it from the right like this, write it like this to the left side like this. Or if we say from the right to from the left to the right, definitely we are saying this document should be pasted to our desktop, to our screen from the word from the left to the right to start reading it for the right like this. That's how the engine will work for you. Or if it's from the left, or if it's from the right to the left, to start reading it from the right like this, up to the top. You understand? It will read it up to the top like this. So that's how it will read it. That's why we are specifying right to the left, left to the right. Right now we are saying it should read from the left to the right. Definitely you should know that the alignment will come from the left, which is this one at the top right here, because it's the starting point of the text. So it will read it from the right, from the left like this, come to the another available space, and come at the end of the day to finish right here. So let me show you how it is now. Can you see? So this one starts from the right like this. You reach here, you stop, you reach there, you jump, you reach there, jump. So that's how it works together. I don't think you are getting the point. So definitely when you use RTL, right to left, you can see the pop-up right here also. It's testifying that this is right to left direction. So and when you use this left to right also, when you just hover on it or any whatever you do on it, you can see this one is telling you that the syntax from the left, or from the left to the right, or from the right to the left. That's why you are able to see this symbol. This is or, this is meaning or in mathematics or in scientific. So I want you guys to understand this very well, please, because this is so nice when you are using it in your document. As you can see, this is left to the right, and when we are specifying RTL, which is right to the left, we are going to give this RTL. Can you see? So our document started reading started counting from the left, from the right to the what? To the left, up from here to the top right here. So please, I want you guys to practice this, because next time we are still going to use this along with some other properties also, so we can form something nice. So anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.